Here in our forecourt at Lloyd Land Rover Kelso, we have this Range Rover Velar 3-litre D300 R-Dynamic S, finished in premium metallic silicon silver exterior paint, with 22-inch 9-split spoke diamond-turned alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include automatic LED headlights with daytime running lights, power folding mirrors, flush deployable door handles with keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, rear privacy glass, and we have the rear camera. Coming in now beneath the powered tailgate, we can see the rear folding seats and the boot floor. As we come into the cabin now, we can see the pan roof from the inside and the Ebony light Oyster leather seats. As we come into the front now, we can see the front heated seats, which as you can see are in fantastic condition as we turn to the multifunction steering wheel. On the steering wheel we have the cruise control, chrome gear shift paddles, the dash display with analog dials, and the hands-free mobile controls. Coming to the touch display we have the rear camera, satellite navigation, and the DAB radio. Coming to the lower touch display we have the climate controls, the heated seat controls, and the rotary gear select. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.